guys, Jake with Danville RV Sales. Today I'm going to be going over a really nice trade we just took in. This is a 2019 Bighorn Traveler, a 32 CK, a real nice, real living 50 we just took in. This one's got the bigger chassis, the 6-point hydraulic leveling on it, loaded up really nice. Big old storage up front here, outside speakers, all electric awning, covers the majority of the side of this whole camper here. Got a spot for your trash can on the outside, make it a little handier while camping. It does have the MORryde solid steps on it. Outside kitchen, got your fridge, two 110 outlets, your sink, some storage, real nice setup here. Coming on into the inside here, it does have the inner vac system, make it a little easier to clean on this unit here. Two big opposing slides here to open up the back end really nice. Got the fireplace, got your TV hidden in here, it'll raise up out of here. Makes traveling with it really nice. Storage back here, multiple plug-ins all over the unit here. It's got the Jensen radio, Thomas Payne leather couches all throughout it. This will make into a sleeper sofa here if you have any extra guests camping with you. Two more 110 outlets on the back, storage all across the back here, big windows. It's got the dinette table here that'll open up for two more chairs. Solid surface countertops, fully residential fridge. Real nice unit here, big kitchen. Coming on up into the bedroom. Huge bedroom. This one does have the slide in the slide, so it gives you tons of floor space up here. Also got you a spot for your TV up here. This unit is also washer and dryer prepped. Big nice closet up here, tons of storage. We'll show them the bathroom real quick. Full size shower, tons of space inside there. Really awesome layout overall. Higher ceiling fan, two ACs, 50 amp fifth wheel. Guys, for any questions or anything like that, feel free to reach out to us. You can give us a call, 606-877-1530. Thank you all.